Hey buddy, today in this video, we're making air fryer Chinese barbecue pork, also known as Char Siu. Let's begin. We're going to get the marinade ready first. We'll need a quarter cup of Shaoxing cooking wine, or you can use cooking sherry wine if you don't have this. There you go, that's a quarter cup of Shaoxing cooking wine. 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 tablespoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon of ground white pepper. 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice powder. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 tablespoons of ketchup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. There you go. Stir everything all together. Stir everything up so it's nice and even. Okay, everything is nicely mixed up. We're going to put that to the side. We have here some pork shoulder blade butt roast. It's around 4 pounds, just a little bit over. And let's open it up. We're going to cut it into chunks. A little bit too much fat. We're just going to trim off some of the fat. There we go, we removed the excess fat. Next, we're going to put the pork into a bag. Now we're going to take the marinade and pour half of it into the bag. And save half of it for later. There we go. I'm going to go wash my hands real quick. Okay, next we're going to seal it up. Push out all the air, and then just massage all of the seasoning around the pork. Okay, everything is nicely mixed up. We're going to put this in the fridge overnight and we'll be back. Okay, we allowed the pork to marinate overnight in the fridge. We're going to put it to the side for right now. We have some of the leftover sauce. We're going to save a little bit of the sauce for dipping. We're going to put the sauce to the side. We also have a brush. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. We're going to lower the temperature to 370 degrees. And we're going to let it preheat and we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 370 degrees. Let's put in the pork. First thing what we're going to do is spray some olive oil into the basket. And let's put in the pieces of pork. We're just going to cook the first batch, 3 pieces. Next, we're going to take some of the leftover sauce and just brush it on top. There we go. We're going to put it in. We're going to set the time back to 370 degrees for 22 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 10 minutes so far. Let's brush some more of the sauce. Let's turn them over. We're going to take some more of the sauce and apply it to the other side as well. There we go. We're gonna put it back in for the last 12 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 20 minutes. There's 2 minutes left. Let's take a look. It's looking good. We're just gonna take the remaining amount of the sauce and apply it on top. There we go. We're gonna put it back in for the last 2 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 22 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Okay, let's check the temperature. It's well above 145 degrees, and we're good. Let's check another one just to be safe. Yep, it's well above 145. Let's slice one up. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer Chinese barbecue pork, also known as Char Siu. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.